If you are seeing the message, your phone date is inaccurate, adjust your clock. On WhatsApp, here is how to fix it easily. First, go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on date and time under system or general management. Any settings depends on your device. Now make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically are turned on. This allows your phone to synchronize the correct date and time from the internet. If it's already on and you still see the error, turn both options off for a moment. Then manually set the correct date and time zone based on your location. After that, turn both options back on. Also, make sure the internet is working properly. WhatsApp needs a stable connection to synchronize with servers and detect the correct time. If the issue still continues, restart your phone and try opening WhatsApp again. That's it. Your WhatsApp should now work without showing that date error. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy fixes and tips.